Ito naman ang inyong gabay para sa Week 2, Activity 3. It's your turn. So the direction is, given that y varies inversely as x, using the table of values below, find the constant of variation, the equation, and graph. So first defined is the constant k and the equation of variation. So we translate y varies inversely as x into y equals k over x. Then using the ordered pair, we now solve for k. So y becomes 2 and x becomes 4. Then we cross multiply. So we have k equals 2 times 4. So the value of k is equals to 8. And we have the equation y equals 8 over x. Since the table of values is complete, we can now graph the variation. The graph of the variation is as shown. Para naman sa Activity 4 challenge, the direction is solve for what is being asked in the following problems. Example 1. If y varies inversely as x and y equals 10 when x equals 2, find y when x equals 10. So for solution number 1, we translate y varies inversely as x into y equals k over x. Then we solve for k using y equals 10 when x equals 2. So we substitute the values. It will become 10 equals k over 2. Then we cross multiply. K equals 10 times 2. So the value of k equals 20. And our equation is y equals 20 over x. For solution 2, we now find y when x equals 10. So using the equation from the first solution, y equals 20 over x, we solve for y when x is 10. So we substitute the values, so it will become y equals 20 over 10, or 20 divided by 10. So the value of y equals 2. So therefore, y equals 2 when x equals 10. For the second example, we have the problem. The number of days needed to finish the work in constructing a house varies inversely as the number of men working on the job. It takes 30 days for 6 men to finish the construction of the house. If the work has to be finished in 20 days, how many men are needed to complete the construction of the house? So let's have solution 1. So the problem shows that the number of days D varies inversely as the number of men M to finish a job. So we will have the formula D equals K over M. Now we solve for K. So we substitute the values. D will become 30 equals K and M become 6. So we cross multiply. It will become k equals 30 times 6. So the value of k is equals to 180. So the equation will be D equals 180 over M. For solution 2, we will solve for how many men needed to complete the construction of the house to be finished in 20 days. So we solve for the number of men when days equals 20. So we use the equation from the first solution, D equals 180 over M. So we substitute the values. D will become 20. And then we cross multiply. So it will become 20 parenthesis M equals 180. Then we divide both sides by 20. So 180 divided by 20 is equals to 9. So we need 9 men to finish the job in 20 days. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next virtual instruction.